Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a recent Ubuntu release, and sudo rights. First, identify your network interface name with ipedder or nmcli so you target the right file. Once done, backup /etc/netplin/*, YAML and /etc/resolve. Conf to preserve current DNS and network settings. You edit immediately to avoid guesswork. Open the netplin YAML for your interface. Make small controlled changes. This gets you into the system state, where DNS can be deterministically configured and safely reverted if needed. You now configure DNS in netplin by editing the YAML for your interface. Under Ethernets or network, set name servers, addresses with comma-separated IPs like 1.1.1.1.8.8.8, and optional search domains. Make sure indentation is exact, YAML is strict. Next, run sudo netplin, try to validate changes interactively, and then sudo netplin apply to make them persistent. If you use Network Manager, use nmcli connection, modify name IP4. DNS or edit the system connections file, and restart. To finish, verify DNS resolution using resolvectal status or systemd resolve status, and test with dig or enslookup to confirm queries use your servers. Make sure systemd resolved is enabled and linked, lsl/etc/resolve. Conf should point to /run/systemd/resolve/stubresolve. Conf or be managed accordingly. If name servers are not used, check YAML syntax, run sudo netplin apply again, and inspect journoctal u systemd resolved. Key troubleshooting tip: if resolution fails, temporarily set /etc/resolve. Conf manually to a known good server and then trace which service overrode it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.